How to install Aurora Store on Google TV. Open its official website and find the download link. Write this down and we'll use it later. Press and hold voice button and say Open Google Store.
Opening Google Play Store.
Search and install Smart TV APK Downloader. Click Download APK from URL. Enter the URL and press OK. Enable Install Unknown Apps. Click the APK again to install. Now you can use Aurora Store on Google TV.